Howdy everybody, Steve here, KM9G. Bet y'all didn't notice, did ya? I've showed this on the Ham Nuggets live stream a couple of times, and Patrick finally has the Cryptex, is that what this is called? Yeah, Cryptech version of this hat back in stock, so I wanted to get a video out real quick before it's sold out again. There are a couple of different versions and colors and so on of this hat, as well as some other gear on the website that Patrick has sent in. This is a leatherette name tag that I was rocking at Hamcation this year, magnetic back, so you can wear it through your shirt or whatever the case may be. And then he's even got a morale patch style, and this one here is actually real leather, and this, it's going to be hard to see it on camera, but this isn't like colored brown, this is laser etched into the leather itself, and then it has a Velcro backing if you have the morale patch or molly panels with the Velcro on them. And if you wanted to sew it in, you could sew it in directly if that's your jam also. And there is quite a bit of other gear out there. Let me get this back on so I can get back in my proper official TO uniform. All right, all set. Put that back on. So Patrick has a couple of different designs here. He's got the one that I showed you in the left corner here. He's got a multicolor hat. You can get this in a couple of different colors with the red, white, and blue American flag, and then he's got the black multicam. I think the black multicam looks pretty cool. And the black multicam has the vents on the side, where the Cryptech doesn't have any vents on it. Let's see, there is the leather and fabric patch that I talked about. This hat here is pretty cool. This is a nice 100% cotton cap with a leather patch on it. And then he's got mouse pads. And for you boonie hat lovers, he's got the boonie hat design, and you don't have to get your call sign engraved if you don't want. You can have it say your club call or EMS or anything else. And then he even has stuff here for non-ham radio related things. Oh, look at that one, U.S. Marine Corps. 2A, Bigfoot playing a guitar. That's pretty cool. That looks kind of like a mountain range, but it is pulsar radio emissions. That one says airborne. That's guy paddling. That's pretty cool. The boonie hat with the neck shade on the back. Some good stuff there. Patrick's been a longtime supporter of the channel, and I wanted to make sure I got this video out to share his products. He is always on the Monday Night Ham Nuggets show. Let's get back over to the bench. I want to show you something about the call sign caps. The embroidery is chef's kiss. He told me at one time the number of stitches that are in this, and I don't want to do him a disservice, but it's in the thousands is the range. This is very thick, very strong, very sturdy, almost like there's something inside of that, and very well stitched. And look at you can see the thickness of it there. Look at that. That is amazing. High quality ball cap, high quality stitching. Everything that Patrick does is pretty high quality stuff. So just wanted to get the word out for you on this. There is a link in the description down below where you can get more information on the gear that Patrick sells. And I am on a quest this year to get 100,000 subscribers, and you can help. Right below the video, there is a subscribe button. Subscribing is free and really helps things move along. If you want to support the channel even farther, right next to that, there is a join button. Either one of those two will help me reach my goal of 100,000 subscribers this year, and I much appreciate it. There is a video right over here I think you'll enjoy next. Thanks for being awesome. I'll see you over there.